Hi guys! So in this video we're going to be creating this very nice Instagram story in here. As you can see, you have some animated text. You also have this very nice swipe up button in here. And this was all created on a phone. So let's do this. Let's go to our homepage in here and go inside this app, Pinreel. We'll be leaving a link in the description for this. So open that up. And as soon as you open this, you will find various templates that you can use directly. Of course, you can create your own as well, but in this case, I'm going to use a template. So let's go to story, and you have all these variables for stories. And from here, let's select one that I like. And for that one, it was actually this one, so I'm going to use this one. As you can see, you have the template right over here. It's working, it's animating. And now we can edit this very quickly. So let's pause, and I'm firstly going to change the photo. Going to select that. Done. And there it is. Now let's select it and center it. Like that. Very easy. And we can also edit the text. So I'm going to type in for the first part in here. I'm going to type in holiday. That's it. And for motion, let's do mode. Done. And then here you can type whatever you like as well. Follow us. On Instagram. Done. So that's it. You can, of course, reposition the text if you would like. And that's basically it. So let's play this to see how it looks. Very nice. And now all we need to do is basically share. So to do that, I'm going to go to here, to this button right over here. And then you have the option to share it as a video, share it as a GIF, and also as a current image. So you can also share a screenshot of this. So let's go to video. It will generate our video for us. And let's wait for it. Once that is done, it is basically going to be in your gallery. So you can go to gallery in here. And as you can see, you can find the video right over here. So that's it. Make sure to check the link below to see the app and maybe try other templates in it. And thank you very much for watching.